yun, di ba? Ito yun, di ba? Hi, Ate Kat. Anong listen? Hindi ko kaya yung listen. Nakalimutan ko tuloy yung tono. You were there. Okay. When I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear you've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us. Kaya ko kaya to? Through the years, you never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I found it with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I've loved the life we've made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years. Ang hirap pag-pause ka pa rin. Alam mo yung may boses ka, pero yung hangin hindi siya lumalabas. Can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, whom I listened to before. I swear you've taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so. But through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I knew how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away, as long as it's okay. I'll stay with you through the years. Wait lang. Through the years, when everything went wrong. Kaya ko kaya to? Together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Hindi ko na kaya yan. Dala kong boses. I never had a doubt we'd always work things out. I've learned what love's about by loving you through the years. Kailan kaya ito maayos yung boses ko? Pero buti nga, naka-record ako ng isang kanta. At least meron. I-upload ko na talaga siya. 9-10 mag-edit na ako. Wala, di pa siya tapos. Years, you've never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, it's better every day. Ang baba ng boses na as long as it's okay. Diba? Well, I'll stay with you through the years. Wait, ipaparinig ko sa inyo yung mga